Well, if there's anything I've learned after I signed up to drive for Uber over 5 years ago, here are 5 things that you need to have as an Uber driver, and this will ultimately help your experience. Before I get started, I wanted to tell you all about an amazing opportunity to make money with a new app called TikTok Shop. This is an app that I have made over $1,000 in a single day with, and you can too. You literally just sign up and start selling other people's products. You make your own shop, and look at this. In the past 28 days, I've raked in over $4 grand. So I have a link below. You don't need to show your face or have a following on TikTok to get started. And right now there's a free trial you can join, and you can watch my full tutorial. Okay, here are the 5 things you need as an Uber driver. Number 1 is a mileage tracker. When Uber sends you your 1099 at the end of the year, they send you a mileage number for you to type in. Usually that number is a lot lower than your actual mileage because they're only counting online miles or even like active miles. They're not accounting for all the miles you have to, when you're off the app, but you're driving to a better location, right? If you're in the middle of nowhere and you have to drive to the city to get more rides, or if you're driving home at the end of the night. So we have a partnership with an app called Solo, where if you use the link below, they're actually gonna send you $10. And not only that, they'll track your miles, and you can even do your taxes in the Solo app. So they're the best app for rideshare drivers, honestly, because they even give you guarantee to pay when you go out and you don't make money. So, but the mileage tracker is really, really good because you could save thousands and thousands of dollars in taxes if you track your miles correctly. Because right now it's 67 cents per mile. So if you miss 2,000 miles, that's like over $1,000 in tax deductions you're missing out on. So make sure you're tracking your miles. Number 2 is a used car. You do definitely not want to have a new car. Getting a new car for Uber is probably the worst financial decision you could ever make in your life, simply because you are going to very quickly be upside down in your car loan, and all of a sudden you're going to lose 10 grand. If you buy a brand new car to drive for Uber, your car's value is going to go down in value. And if you buy a used car that's already depreciated, you don't have to worry about that. Number 3, good attitude. Yeah, no passenger likes to get into an Uber car and their passenger is mad or sad or mean. Look, we get it. We all have bad days. You don't need to, you don't need to be like delusional, but at least say, hello, how are you? And just give a ride. That's it. Don't make it too complicated. Number 4, play Octopus. You definitely need to have Play Octopus if you drive for Uber or for Lyft for that matter. It is a tablet company that is now nationwide, where they will send you a free tablet in the mail. We have a link below. Fill out the form. They'll send you a free tablet and pay you an extra up to $100 extra per month. It's crazy. I don't know why every single Uber and Lyft, I take Ubers and Lyfts, I don't know why every car doesn't have this. It's free money waiting for you. So use the link below now, and we have a special coupon or a discount, a referral code, sorry, Rideshare Hub when you sign up. Number 5 is a side hustle. You wanna make sure you are supplementing your Uber income with another way to make money. A really good way to make money, like I said before, is on TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is a great way for anybody to set up a store on TikTok and start generating revenue from it, start generating income. Again, like I said before, I haven't showed this one, but in the past week alone, that you can see this is on my TikTok Shop Seller Center. The past 7 days, I made over $2,000. And in one single day, my friends, I brought in $1,000. Look at that, it says daily overview. So if you want to learn exactly how I set up a TikTok Shop, and again, you can do it too. It's pretty freaking easy to do it, honestly. Like it's not easy, but at the same time, it's possible. Like, because I've been doing drop shipping, so you don't need to worry about any of the shipping. I wouldn't say it's easy, but when you've watched my tutorial, I mean, it's like a 45-minute tutorial, but like anybody could do it. You just have to know how. So anyways, I've done it. I've been doing dropshipping for years, and finally with TikTok Shop, I was like, let me try it out on TikTok Shop. It's working incredibly well. And TikTok is starting to promote my products for me. I don't even really have to make videos anymore, which is crazy. I just keep getting sales. Every day I wake up and boom, sales. So anyways, click the link below. There's a free trial right now for the first 100 people. I think we're closing in on the first 100. We have like 40 people now. The reason I'm doing that is because I want to create it into a community where everybody's working on their shops, sending in updates, and I can give feedback to everybody. There's no community without people in there. So again, I want to get as many people in as possible. 7-day free trial. Check it out. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll talk soon.